Is Bell Mobility the right mobile provider for you? Let's find out. This video reviews Bell, one of Canada's top mobile operators. Full details on the products mentioned are in the description below. Bell is known for its broad network coverage, fast data, and diverse plans. Their robust 5G and LTE network delivers excellent connectivity, particularly in cities. Rural coverage is also among Canada's best, ideal for travelers and professionals. Bell offers plans ranging from affordable options with limited data to premium unlimited plans with faster speeds. Features include unlimited nationwide calling, international roaming, and discounts for bundling with home internet or TV. They also support eSIM, perfect for frequent travelers or dual SIM users. Bell prioritizes strong network performance, ideal for streaming, gaming, or working remotely. Businesses benefit from secure mobile plans and device management. However, Bell's pricing is higher than some competitors, and customer service can be inconsistent. One of Bell's biggest strengths is its speed and reliability, often ranked among Canada's best. Budget-conscious users might find better deals elsewhere. Overall, Bell Mobility is an excellent choice for those prioritizing fast, reliable service and extensive coverage. Use Bell? Considering it? Share your thoughts in the comments. More details are in the description below.